Good morning, everyone. Today, I look at the chart at New York opening recently, and Trade Watch. I have set in the sell limit and buy limit accordingly to the price lining up with the Bolinger band, top, mid, low, or bottom line. This morning, Monday, the bank is closed. It's one bank, and I plot in Holiday Bank for United Kingdom. British Bank is closed. New Zealand is core retail is good for quarter to quarter. Anyway, I plot one of the good green positive news on New Zealand. The rest is not sure what it is. Swiss franc is also green, but the price between of employment level is getting higher. So New Zealand and Swiss franc, it's been plotting from this morning. They give the news, announce it already, and let's go back to the chart. So I check my account, and Euro USD is fill. My take profit is fill. No, not take profit. My sell limit is fill. So I quickly check, put up the line, everything in, and also US Swiss franc is fill. So we have to check this. To check this, where do I go? Back to the 4 hours. Back to the main sequence. I want to take this away. So this is USD across the board, except this I just have to put it back into the sequence of 1 hour. I think this is the sequence of 1 hour. Let's see what. Yeah, US Swiss franc 1 hour. So we have to put them all in 1 hours. 1 hours. So we approximately see the US, what happened at the 1 hour that this candle at London open, and you see any attention to go Euro USD is attention, see obvious that they want to go up accordingly together with Aussie USD, Euro USD, Aussie USD look more like the twins. Let's see the sequence. Look, they happen the same, and this is the one, the London opening candles, and see, they're still on top of the Bolinger line. That means the volume, the MACD is shift to the upper side. And New Zealand USD, let's see if they are also going up, but not as much higher to reach to this guy who's starting it, or the gatekeeper. Let's see. Anyway, they are up basically 1, 2, 3, 4. Check it back to this normal. 1, 2, 3, 4 are up. That's if they are same sequence. Remember, I have to watch out for this US group come first. Is this 4. Bitcoin also drop, okay, from last night. Well, USD and USD CAD, USJPY, USD CAD, US is drop, show the intention that they want to go down because they dropped so strong on last week. This week is a new players, so they are follow the intention of this guy at the Asian Open, that the direction is at 1 hour supposed to go further down, pull back, and then take the next level after the in this range. We have to watch out for this range for USD CAD, USJPY, USD Swiss franc. They all go down, drop. That means USD is weak. On this side, USD is in the back. Euro is up, USD is weak. Aussie is up, USD is weak. New Zealand is up, USD is weak. But this is what I have 1 hour in for to check. So the Euro USD, which is fill up my okay, Euro USD is on the list where it's now green. US Swiss franc is also on the list where it's now green. So USD Swiss franc, Euro USD, and USD Swiss franc here. These two we have some business issue to go with that we have to monitoring. So what I did is let's do this down. I go to Euro USD, why is green and how long I can hold. Look at this, I haven't put any line in there yet, so I'll put the line in. Meanwhile I have to stop this pause. Okay, Euro Aussie. We go to Euro Aussie. As I said, I put the line up, and the thing is I keep looking for something as I put the line, and by the time I finish, New York New York is open. Let me put this thing down, and before I close, I'm in a profit. So anyway, I just come back to check at the Euro Aussie. The position still run. I have to pause this because my neighbor working. So anyway, I want to put buy limit, but it didn't trigger me. It's just go. But anyway, that's question. Am I want to following this to chase? This is seem to be still strong, the intention, and the buyer take it immediately, same strength. So I don't know if I want to follow formal. I have to wait. This is my price, but it didn't come low enough. That's a Bitcoin, but let's look for a whole sequence. Let's put it a little bit smaller. Same sequence. This is only different. The rest is I am at the Aussie because this London showed me that Aussie and Euro or Swiss franc, Euro Aussie seem to be a buy or something. Anyway, make me curious enough to want to check Aussie, Australian dollars, to see how they go. Aussie New Zealand up, Aussie USD up with this good sign of something happening there. Aussie USD and Aussie CAD same same but not as strong, but at least they go cold. And Aussie switch from also up, that all this Aussie strong. Aussie JPY, no question about it. They even make a little bridge here. Now opposite side, GBP Aussie, GBP is down, mean Aussie is strong. Euro Aussie, and Euro is down, Aussie strong. Let's see what happened. Do I have any Aussie pair? Not. I have to watch out for Euro USD because I'm selling. I was 30 euro here before, but have to watch out for that. Okay, and let's go put it back. I think I at the other account. Aussie is strong today on 1 hours. I haven't put any line on Aussie yet. This is, I have to pause this and go back and put the line on. And going slowly. Pause. Alright, a whole day I've been working on a lot of put the sell and buy limit, and here the last pair is Bitcoin. The Bitcoin I put in 2 position here, waiting for the price to reach to this level, my first price and my second price, and stop loss everything sin. That's Bitcoin. This is the across the board cat 4-hour charge, and I put many sell and buy limits in. So this is cat pair, just to go through one by one. So this is where I'm taking order, sell limit for cat switch from, because I think they will pull back. This is the intention to go down. This is the test, or let's go demand, and then rabat discount first time, still in range of the discount price, doesn't go any direction until here. Test 2 to get this guy. Second test to take stop loss and then going down according to the momentum of the seller who have intention. All we need to do is waiting for the discount first time at a midline of Bolinger band on daily, and then move a little bit above. And as I say, they get a better price now, but still on the sell side. So this is the sell market. When they reach the better price, they go smash it down, stay a while here for make the decision to test gauging momentum here again, and then after the first test, second test, and then going down, but not very very strong down, because they cannot move away from this level. They still hold their ground, and this is quite a strong candle for the very last moment of the day. The market close. This is the 4 hours. You go down to the 1 hour just to read this chart while I'm doing this, because I see the attention to go down, pull back or discount, they still make more discount, and first leg, second leg, the third leg pulling back discount. First time at this price, second time get a little bit better price, and then the price moving down, trying to penetrate the lower band of the 4 hours, but 4 hours a level of the lower band line still hold their ground and be able to push the price back into the center line mid band of the 4 hours. So what I did, I expect that they don't like this price, because if they like this price they will leave from here, but they want to come back to get something better than this price. And perhaps every time I think I'm right at this, they're gonna go down at here at dearly mid band. But I said for the experience I never be right until I get a little bit further. If someone put the stop loss here, they will come and get it, and that's where my journey want to start a little bit earlier before they touch this stop loss hunting. So that's why I put it there, and it's still far away, but let's see if we come back to this area where I like the price. It's good price enough, a lot of discount, and I don't need to wait for them to test each other. I hope they're just gonna go down. Let's see. That's cat switch fund. Another cat JPY also catching my eye because they're coming down here. And first leg, second leg. First leg is touching this midline and go back up for discount, or test 1, test 2, test 3, get back to this line and then smash the price down to the mid band of the weekly, still holding their ground, and I want them to move back up to test again, because this is the first test. Perhaps they want to get something here, this price, so they move it down just to call in the seller swarm in and put the price down to the level where they cannot go further, and the buyer coming back. And I want the buying to come back to live above this gatekeeper. That's where my stop loss is. But I'm not gonna move it away until my plan is work or I die from they hit my stop loss. So let's see. We will go to the next pair. Is cat JPY. Where am I? 4 hours. This is a little bit far away because I want them to come up here to pick up me for my first journey, because most of the people put stop loss here, so they will come trying to get these people stop loss, and that's where I am to put myself limit there for the GBP cat. Euro cat is also, I put something there. I know it's not there yet, but in the future I hope they will come back to get me an order fill. This one I buy because I think the price come up. Attention, they're going up, pull back. How many time? 2 time. This is test 2. Test come pretty strong, but still buyer coming back and trying to bridge this gatekeeper guy, and they manage with 1 leg, 2 leg, go to sideways, and they test this guy. First test, pull back, discount price. Second pull back, discount price, not able to get a better price. The strong buyer keep pushing, but the seller is pretty strong here, but not strong here. But the buyer is not yet interesting to come back until this price they're poking out a dash of evil and pulling back into the midline of the green 4 hours and go to the lower band line of the 4 hours, and from there I expect that they will come more further according to this momentum of the seller. It's very strong. At least they will pull back and do their things, and will come down even further to invited the seller to come with the strong red candle and volume. I have to go down to the 1 hour to see the volume with this long leg, how the volume is look like. It's pretty strong. Even the market is closing. It's right now is Asian open 2 a.m. here. The Asian is just open, and we'll see, because it's strong. It will probably pull back for a little bit, maybe that this high and fighting, and fortunately I hope they're coming down here to get my ordered buy limit to move the price up just back to here. My stop loss is right there, just a test of waiting mode, and that is oh, this is crazy. And this is what happened to Euro cat. Next, Aussie cat. Aussie cat I didn't put any order in, and perhaps I haven't got time to do every pair yet. Need to look at the weekly and put all the lines in, and computer is very slow. Okay, it's loading up and not complete loading. Anyway, it's pretty slow. That's why I haven't time to come to get Aussie cat yet. Okay, here back. So the major fight in the range here is not able to move out from the range. It's just weak, pretty long. Say that there are some buyer like to have the price down here if it's rich here. So far it's squeezing to the weekly. It's squeezing in this zone of range. So if I buy, I have to wait for buy at the bottom or buy at the high. So it's no direction here for this Aussie cat. It's not fun to stay in the range. It's never go away, and I'm looking forward to, if it's here I need to sell, but my sell probably not work because this guy need the test, and the test should be lower than any other of these tail. Perhaps this could be the buy, but this is daily. I would probably buy from here, but I'm not gonna bother to do it right now because it's 2 o'clock and I need to go to bed. Just look roughly to check and make the last record for tomorrow so I can upload the video. So this is the Aussie cat, and the next is USD cat. Also I have something to put the limit sell as see here, and the price is pretty much up to the sky. If you go to the sky, I mean the train run up and reach to the point where it's supposed to be responded by the seller, because they are gatekeeper here, need to show their strength to smash the price down. So this is the idea that the price has to go down if not going up. So this is I'm looking for some sell on this thing, because I think it should go down a little bit. It's a counter trend because the trend is up, is the buyer market so far. If this guy is still not coming back, waiting for him to do something, he's responsible for this thing, to smash the price down, as long as he's not taken away. So the intention of the seller is strong, and discount price come very strong too, and then smash it down again, maintain at the bottom the lower band of the weekly. They respect that, and then pull back, trying to make a lower low, not possible. Pull back the second time for the test 2. Remember, this is seller markets, test 2, smashing down, nothing going down. Buyers still coming back, not able to bridge over this area. Only the dashing out or dash of the evil. They're poking out, and then they're coming back. 1 time, 2 time, or you can say 3rd trade, 4th trades, still in the square. So that I think this is pretty strong. This guy, first time strong, not the first, but the first as very strong one. This second test, they take out here to get the stop loss, and then now they're going to go down. Since they are monthly will go down slowly. So we go down to weekly. We can see clearly down. They touch the mid Bolinger band line for the monthly. They respect this. You see, not a monthly. We was on the weekly. This is the monthly. Okay, we go down to the weekly, and the weekly respect this purple line on the monthly mid of the Bolinger band line. If I'm not wrong, we can check on the weekly if the computer is loading. It takes so much time to load. I have no choice but live with it. This is the purple line. I haven't put the line yet, or the computer doesn't loading up quick enough. So I'm not going to bother with this, but so I will go down to the lower time frame. Weekly we show that the buyer is pushing up, seller pushing back down. This is crucial level at the monthly level mid band. So we have to watch out for this, and I want to see it takes 2 times and going down, because it's been coming up, and the seller first time they fell. Somebody put stop loss here, or maybe here stop loss need to be taken out, so they're coming up here to you're able to take a stop loss out and then drop back. That was saying that before, but to repeat, and at the daily now get more clear, and I did put something there, sell limit daily, can't wait to go down. This is the head and shoulder, and the intention to go up, pull back, discount price, higher high, pull back, discount price, higher high, pull back, discount price, go, and not able to make higher than this. Now we have an issue. We have to be looking for the sell. If this sell stops, the energy momentum is vanishing out, then we have to sell, and that's my idea. Go down to 4 hours. 4 hours this is where I put. I just thinking this is the best price that I can buy, so I stick on that. And the price is perhaps fighting here for some time, first time, 2 time in the range, or maybe they can go up on the range, not a range, a trend. Test 1 and then test 2, probably not over than this guy, but the thing is they come very strong, and many times I've been burning, it come in too early, so what the heck, I put the very best price above of this. So above of this, they might come back and pick me up. Look, it's a little bit far away, but it's just for the test. My idea is right, are golden, and touch my sell limit, fill, and then coming back to take profit here. Just small hit and run. Okay, that's Euro USD. US New Zealand. I have to put this back into number. Time frame 4 hours. Next one is New Zealand CAD. I did do the same thing just like the last pair. I put my limit sell here a little bit above of this 4-hour mid band, and my stop loss is above this daily mid band line. So take profit is like 1.9 R. We'll see what happening. That's New Zealand. And Bitcoin is, I come back to this I was saying before. So as you can see, I expect that they come to pick me up and move back. And Bitcoin is 2 touch up above cannot make a higher high. So they will have to come down to get a better price than this price. And they get this price now. And this guy who's responsible for going up, see if he will coming back. When you look at this, the big red candle volume is almost challenging and steadily volume. And it's like 2 o'clock. What time? Yeah, 2 o'clock Asian Open. So we'll see. I put everything in a whole day. I did this, all this. The news, I haven't checked it up yet, but this morning I already checked from the morning. Okay, well, let's go quick from the top down approach. I mean the beginning of my day today. Yesterday has become the 25th. Going on, first one is I check Euro Aussie, and I was being eat up. Oh no, I'm win. Euro Aussie is still in green and so on. I check to see. I have to explain this what it is, but I have got time. But just look at the pair, the name of pair Euro Aussie, and Euro Aussie. Okay, this is what is activated right now. It's still running, floating, and this is the Euro pair Euro Aussies at the lower time frame at 15 minutes. So this is like my my sell and my take profit down should be down there. So this is the thing, the mark. Anyway, and what this is across the board of Euro pair 15 minutes, because this is single pair, but now I show the correlation in 15 minutes why I put buy and sell limit here and there. So it is not having time to explain this, but just look roughly to the pair, which pair is up, which pair is down. I use the mid Bolinger band line to gauging which pair is up. If I have time, I will check the MACD and this working together. So Euro New Zealand is sideways up, sideways, and then pulling back underneath the Bolinger band line. This is the 15 minutes. All the pair cannot see if I don't open up bigger, but I use the MA to see, and like this one below the midline, this one below the midline. The thing is, which one is below the midline? This one is below midline, but the price is up. Price is sideways, price is up and then down. And this pair Euro GBP, oh, this is wrong. I should push it. When I take a picture, some shit happens. So anyway, don't worry about this. It just look at the MA. So it's going down and up. Euro GBP. This green and red thing is mean I already put something like limit orders. So just to take a quick look, and I don't want to stay for a long time to explain everything, but this is for my homework to come back later. This is now I shift to check on the US across the Swiss franc across the board 15 minutes, and USD and CAD are looking the same. So is this Euro Swiss franc and GBP Swiss franc is a little bit contrary according to the weekly midline. They go in both, but I don't see weekly. Where is the weekly? But I guess GBP Swiss franc is very low. I don't need to go up to the higher time frame to open it up. I can see that GBP is low, and today they're trying to coming up and to bridge over the mid Bolinger band line. This is white line, 1 hour, and they can't. They're still down there. So GBP is weak according to Swiss franc. But how long? Because they try very hard to move back up here, and look to CAD Swiss franc on the left, also beneath the 1 hour line. 1 hour line is the father of the 15 minutes. So the white line is the 1 hour mid line of the Bolinger band, both of the midline below CAD Swiss franc, below the midline. So and so as GBP also touch, almost bridge. I will see how long it will take to bridge back to inside above this mid Bolinger band 1 hour time frame. New Zealand Swiss franc also below, but moving up, bridge this mid Bolinger band line of 1 hour time frame. Bitcoin also hold a drop and now is trying to moving back to the midline of the Bolinger band. So far, just a quick look. Let's see, I did Euro Swiss franc for keeping eye on. This is the US Swiss franc. To show the US Swiss franc, I make some progress. Still, the position still running, and I have two position is green. So, but this is the news. Say holiday, bank holiday, mean no winning the power to push the trade to perform. Mainly sideways market, and New Zealand is good, green light, positive, so is Swiss franc. According to that, New Zealand and Swiss franc is positive, so they're supposed to going up. New Zealand, where is the New Zealand? New Zealand USD. New Zealand supposed to be good, so they're going up just for this candle at London market. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, something like that. So New Zealand supposed to go up, but why not poking out, get through this level? And so they still maintain the ground under this mid Bolinger band line of the 4 hours. So this, if USD is strong, this is supposed to go down. But USD is is weak, euro is strong according. So the price will go up, and USD, if USD is good, if USD is weak, the price will go up. Price Aussie up, okay, underneath the daily mid band, underneath the daily mid band, that's mean it's going down, possibly because the price is so far ridiculous expensive to buy high up there. You must sell if it's allowed. So that's what I is looking for, to put my order just to the far end of the outside band, or the higher or lower lower the Bolinger band line. See if it come and lift me up, pick me up to go with the high big boy who has a lot of money. So US Swiss franc is dropped underneath this. So far the 4 hours guy midline had happened to US Swiss franc, GBP Swiss franc is not really, but it's already breached above this midline, but still underneath the green, the 4 hour mid band. So I'm glad to see Bitcoin is dropped. So anyway, this is what I did. And to look at the news, I even go check here for the Euro USD, Euro USD in the money, green light, and Euro is supposed to be positive news, so they're going up, but I sell Euro. Unbelievable. It's supposed to go up. News doesn't affect sometimes. So this is the next one, is the US Swiss franc. US Swiss franc is negative news or not. Look at this number. So it's positive, a little bit above. So Swiss franc is supposed to be strong. US Swiss franc, US Swiss franc, and US Swiss franc is here. I put the buy limit, and then the activate from last Friday, the 22nd, still position, still running US Swiss franc, and I don't know if I should close it, because I have to keep eye on it. Anyway, below is zoom in to see US Swiss franc start to, oh, this is history. I close it at 5 euro before I reach to my point, my entry. So at least I know how to get away when I see the thing is not good, and at least I make a little bit money. But anyway, good to know that when you're gonna get a close position. This is US Swiss franc again, 1 hour to blow it bigger, and I didn't take symbol here, but you can see this where I sell limit is. I should come back. Oh, here it is. This is, oh, it's the old one. I should take this away. Okay, you can't take away, it's a picture. Anyway, okay, US Swiss franc and close position, and at the US Swiss franc at the other account, I didn't close, still let it run, and it still run. I don't know, too many pair to check. So is this, what day is this? This is 2025 and 13, something like that. This is a history of my pair, three pairs still floating, running. Okay, that's Euro Aussie, Euro Swiss franc, US Swiss franc still running. and Euro Aussie to see the detail, and I write something down. Can look just the picture. Here is where I post my position, my stop loss, and my take profit. I read it run for Euro Aussie, and so this Euro Aussie, blow it up bigger for 1 hour time frame, and this is the Euro Aussie, 15 minutes with the news telling which one is good news and bad news, negative, positive. With the price I can monitor from here. Euro Aussie, Euro Swiss franc still running, and this is the even 3 minutes to blow it inside this to see how far and where I am in 1 hour chart. This is midland of the 1 hour chart. At the bottom, it's time to go up and buy. At least must come here to test 1 or test 2, can even higher than this midline of the 4 hours, midline of the band, to take away the stop loss. It's called stop hunt. So that's here blow it again, the news, to keep up with the news, and then Euro across the board 1 hour chart, see how the Euro are showing the activity. I'm looking for the correlation, why I keep this across the board running well together, and where I can put the stop limit or buy limit. And this is the Bitcoin. We come back to the Bitcoin, and I put even both sign. I sell limit here, buy limit is here, so just right here. But the thing is not pick up my order yet. Anyway, the next one, GBP Aussie, I put buy limit here because they're supposed to come down, pick me up. I thought I explained that already. So anyway, what it is, Euro Aussie, sell buy limit, buy limit, waiting, okay. Aussie cat, sell limit, waiting, okay. What is this? Aussie Swiss franc, sell limit, up there. And what's this? Aussie USD, sell limit, up in the sky, very far away, just to test how far it need to take to reach to here and then drop. Okay, this is Aussie across the board, 4 hour time frames, sideways, and then drop. Everyone underneath the daily mid Bolinger band line, so they fight beneath this. For me, they are correlation. And Aussie switch from Aussie cat, only these two is different direction. It's going up. Euro strong, Aussie is weak, and then after that, Euro is pull back, discount price for the demand discount, and then do the fight 2 times, test 1, test 2. Anyway, just a quick look on this Euro thing. What was that? It's Aussie thing, Aussie across the board, Aussie strong. It's their turn to move the price up. Let's see how far they can go. Aussie JPY also, I put sell limit there. And Aussie Swiss franc, sell limit. This is the repeat. Many pictures I need to upload. The more I have, the easier to me to read. Cat JPY, okay, just the history of Monday, what I did, and this is the week, the month. So this is the monthly that catching my eye on Bitcoin USD. What is that? Not a monthly. It is 4 hours. 4-hour chart, not the monthly yet. Anyway, I put the sell limit or buy limit. It's soon coming down here to pick me up. Oops. What was that? Let's fix this back. Okay. Bigger. Back. Okay, Bitcoin. Go crazy. I don't like that. I need my real estate to see what happened. Okay, now let's move it back. It's not there. All of this 1 hour, maybe it need to be 1 hour too. Okay, we got 1 hour. Okay. Anyway, this is the strategy, planning to put, what's that, take profit. Oh, somebody take profit. Raw trading. Let's see what happened. History. 22nd. This is not on this account, but I don't want to change the account, but it's okay. Just a quick look. Doesn't matter. At least I did my homework, my order. I don't like this. I need to make a good sequence so I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. What time frame? This is 4 hours. Sometimes it's throw me away. I need to put everything in 4 hour sequence. Otherwise, confusing, because the chart needs to be synchronized. Good sequence takes time. Patience. I know it's a lot of work, but I'm trying to make it easier for me. Okay, so far it's all 4 hour cat switch from TPP cat. This is cat across the board. It's not loading yet, so let's go further. Again. Oh, don't like that. Hard to control. Where is the end? This is thing drive me nuts. Time consuming. Here also is hiding. You need to check through and then put it back. Still not coming. I have to push. If you push wrong, you touch one line and you move the line, it's catastrophe. So at least I get this is 4 hours. Four hours take time to loading. Okay, that's so far. Cat switch from and let's go back to here, move further down. This is GBP cat, same sell limit. Euro cat, make sure that I showed it to the video clip, then I can come back and look at it later and point out what is pro and con, what's to do, not to do. Okay, we come to the very last is the Bitcoin, and I upload again the news of yesterday, Monday. And let's go back to the chart. So this is my homework for today, and there's a lot of homework that I didn't put it up because the time that I have. So Monday, so every day I put something, and yesterday 24th, Sunday or Friday 22nd, I had put something here. So every day, everything I can go back and look at, and soon I have to delete it to upload the clip to YouTube. So that's what I did so far. And go back to the chart and go back to see. I have 7 minutes, 2 minutes more, and I like to check with other account. Okay, it doesn't loading up other account. So far, let's go back. Let's go to JPY. I haven't looked for JPY for quite some time. JPY 4 hours. I like 4 hours, and because it's a bigger time frame, more money. But I have to looking for lower time frame to make decision. See, it's very late and very slow to loading, and I must go to bed, and it doesn't seem like it's gonna load for me. So let's close this thing up because it's been too much slow, too slow. Let's say good night. Okay, stop.